Hello there everyone, welcome to another episode of DM Car Reviews. Today we have a very special car on our channel. This is a 1998 BMW 540i. A huge thank you to Maximum Auto Outlet of Manassas, Virginia for providing me this car. I will leave all their information down below in the description, so make sure to check them out. But let's get this beast fired up. And let's go take a look outside. So this right here is the Bengal era E39 Legend with the V8 motor, the staggered wheels. Seriously, what a timeless design this is. Absolute beauty. Unfortunately, this specific car does need some work with the brakes, some other stuff, so it's not in perfect shape. So we'll have to be a little more gentle when driving today. But as long as the motor is healthy, that's all that matters. Let's go take a look at in the back seat. So here we have soft touch materials everywhere, and let's hop in the back. So hopping in the back, I'm 6'2", and as you can see, there's not that much space here. There's probably more space in the new 3 Series. So as you can see, over the years, cars have really grown in their size. We have the armrest. See if there are cup holders here, but the seats are so comfortable. I love them. The doors are nice and solid. To the heavier side, you can just tell how thick and well made they are. Let's go take a look at the trunk. All right, trunk. And now I don't know if I can even open this hood right now. There's a special way you gotta pull it. There we go. We got all the floor mats, the wrench. A decently sized trunk. Actually very good size. It's also very deep inside. Yeah, I don't think I've opened that hood. Oh well, by the sound you know it's a V8, so. But let's hop inside. All right. Sounds magnificent. We got a sunroof, heated seats, climate. This was all faded throughout the years. Cassette player, and you can also just close this if you want to. We got the glove box, central door locks that work perfectly. All right, and what is this? ASC, I guess that's the stability control or something like that. Let's get started on our drive. This is my first time driving this car in this body style, and especially it being a 540. So I'm still getting used to the clutch, so bear with me here. I don't think the AC works in this car, so we're gonna have to keep our windows open. This sound is absolutely spectacular. I love the steering in this car. It's just so firm and it's direct. There's plenty of torque from the V8, lots of power. Got these pops in the back. Brakes here are not very strong, so that's why I gotta keep a distance from everybody. Do not feel speed on this 5 Series whatsoever. I feel like 5th gear isn't even going in at this point, so it's very iffy on the transmission. Kind of hard to even guess what gear you're in. So that's why I said we're taking it very light today with this car, especially with all this crazy traffic. First, second goes in great, and then third, fourth, and then fifth, I don't even know what's happening with that. Car definitely needs some love, some work, but that's okay. It's a great project car. hear it. Let's try to do a quick 0 to 60. Don't expect any amazing results, but let's go. Well, there you go, 9.4 seconds. Again, I was doing it very light, wasn't even pushing it, just wanted to do it as light as possible. Well, this summarizes up our test drive. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. And till next time.